Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you want to speak in English? So don't worry, I'm here to help you. What is required to speak in English? This is just one thing: positive attitude. If you think that you can speak in English, so you will definitely going to speak in English. But you have to start thinking that you can speak in English. Because the process of this positive attitude is very important towards learning. Whatever you think about yourself, other will think the same. If you think yourself that you are a confident English speaker, so people will think the same. Because if you feel so that you can speak in English, so your body language will change, your confidence will boost. But you need some fundamental things also, like vocabulary. And for this vocabulary building, I'm here to help you. If you have a good command over vocabulary, if you know few words, so you can easily make the sentence and you can easily speak in English. So for vocabulary, let's start today's video with some interesting English words. So let's start today's video with a word: click. CLIQUE. Click. An exclusive group bound together by some shared quality or interest. Now, the time of sentence: the high school newspaper staff was a real clique. Next word: coalesce. Coalesce. Come together as one. COALESCE. And the sentence: when the dough coalesced into a big black blob, we began to wonder whether the cookies would be good to eat. Coerce, force someone to do or not to do something. Darth Vader tried flattery. Darth Vader tried gifts. Cogent, powerfully convincing. Cogent reasons are extremely persuasive oneness. Next word: cognitive. Dealing with how we know the world around us through our senses. COGNITIVE. Scientists study the cognitive apparatus of human beings to the pattern how computers should gather information about the world. Cognizant, aware, conscious. To be cognizant of your responsibility is to know what your responsibilities are. Coherent, COHERENT, holding together. A coherent wad of cotton balls is one that holds together. Colloquial, conversational, informal in language. A writer with a colloquial style is a writer who uses ordinary words and whose writing seems. Collusion, COLLUSION, conspiracy or secret. The increase in oil prices was the result of collusion by the oil production nations. Commensurate, COMMENSURATE. The meaning is equal. Ernie salary is commensurate with his abilities, like his abilities like salary is small. Last word for the day: compelling, forceful, causing to yield. A compelling argument for buying a video cassette recorder is one that makes you go out and buy a video cassette recorder. So, we have done some amazing words for the day. Few words we will do in our next class. Until and unless what is your work should be there, learn those words what I have told you in my today's video, so that you can use these words in your next English speech. Suppose you are in college or in a school and you have to give a speech in English in a special day. So, how will you prepare yourself? I would like to tell you today's secret. You have to first choose a topic and prepare a topic. Try to speak your topic in front of mirror. If you do not have the data, collect the data for English speech. Properly prepare your speech on the paper and try to speak in front of mirror. And whenever you get the chance to speak English or give your speech in your school or in college or in your office on a special day, so just feel confidently and speak up. Maybe you skip some words, but try to speak. That will build your confidence because you have done your practice of writing, which is called drafting also. You have done your speaking practice in front of mirror, and final day you are delivering your hard work, because hard work is very very important. If you really want to prove yourself, so you have to learn vocabulary. If you really want to speak in English confidently and fluently, you have to learn vocabulary, you have to read newspaper, you have to listen English media every day, and you have to speak in front of mirror. If you have the smartphone, so you can record your own voice and your video, and try to watch your video and listen your audio respectively, so that you can do self improvement. If you are facing any problem in pronunciation, so the best way is Google. Write down any word on Google and you will find the pronunciation, and listen the pronunciation and copy. Just listen pronunciation and pronounce at the same level, so that you can improve your pronunciation. Don't think that you want to speak English like American or Australian or any Britishers. You cannot catch the accent in just one day, but after a time, after a period of your hard work, your consistent work, or learning towards English, you will definitely can speak in any accent. So first is, do work on your fundamentals and improve your vocabulary, so that you can open a new opportunity for you. Even you want to go to get a job in corporate sector, or you want to go for overseas studies, because English is a language of success. English can open a new opportunity for you. So I hope you will like the video of today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.